Tube family, and today I'm gonna learn how to ride my bike with no baby wheels, right, Papa?
Yes.
And I did good one time, right?
Yeah, mine has been learning to ride a bike without
few
a training
hours.
wheel for a few hours, and now he's almost ready to ride by himself. So please guys, if you are watching this video, please, what do you have to say, Mayan?
Please like and share and subscribe to my channel.
See you guys on the next video, and then let's go this video, Mayan driving by his own without a training wheel. Are you excited, Mayan?
Yeah, guys, guess what? One time, my dad told me to do this, and then someone just sees me, and then it blushed me, and then I did good, and then I said I want to do it more and more and more.
Hey guys, yeah, I just recommend Mayan to pray before you drive any kind of vehicle, so that he get blessed every time when he's driving around, so that he did that one and he think that he got some power and he's now good to ride by his own. So see you guys how the Mayan does by him driving by himself without any training wheels. So see you guys on the video. Let's go.
Let's go. How do we do it though?
Do like this and do like this.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Look at this, guys.
I'm not even lying. Guys,
Oh my God! See, Mayan is going by himself now.
guys,
He don't need to hold.
guys, I'm not even lying, guys. I don't have any baby wheels.
Yes. Oh my God.
I have no baby wheels, guys. Like, I'm not even joking.
Oh my
Because
God.
my dad does the same thing when he's in the car, right?
Yep.
If the people don't do it, they will not go, they will crash, right?
Yep.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Yay.
Guys, did
Push,
you hear?
push, push.
Yeah. Guys, did you hear that? Yeah.
Okay. Come this way. This
Are
way.
we, baby?
This way, man.
Woo! Yeah. Let's go.
Man, turn around and come this way, okay? Guys, he's been learning for like few hours and now he's good. Look at this. He can ride by himself. So, okay guys, if you want to teach your kids how to learn the bike without the wheel, you just need to train them a little bit, and as you go they will catch up very soon and they will be able to ride by their own. So mine is just 6 years old, so now he's almost ready without the training wheel. So I put some time and then he's now ready riding by himself. So look at this, he's doing very good. So if you guys have not subscribed to his channel, please like, share and subscribe to his channel. We're gonna bring so much video about this
Guys,
kind
I
of thing.
know how to park my bike.
Oh no, you know how to park?
Yeah, and guys, look, if I do this, and I know how to park my bike, obviously, the people who can't ride their bike, and their dads or mom are trying to make your kids do it, but they don't want to do it, just show them a secret. Just touch the bike, what you got, just in the middle, and then do this, and then you do it.
Okay.
All of the parents who can't do it, or the kids, if you see this, you know how to do it.
Oh man, you are so clever. You know how to pray before you ride, and then you got the power, right?
Yeah,
Okay. You ready again?
yeah.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Level up.